Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could introduce several major changes this year, with one of the most anticipated upgrades being a significantly larger battery and more. According to the latest available data, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is set for a record-breaking battery upgrade. Apple appears to be continuing its effort to differentiate the iPhone 17 Pro series from its predecessors, with notable improvements in both hardware and software. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. iPhone users constantly crave longer battery life. The Pro Max models will not only cater to those looking for larger screens, but also for larger cells. Well, it looks like the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max will receive a nice battery capacity bump. A recent leak suggests Apple's future mobile flagship could feature more juice for your day. Apple may redesign the internal layout of the iPhone 17 Pro Max to accommodate a larger battery, potentially the biggest ever in an iPhone timeline. This came from a reliable leaker known as Instant Digital on Weibo. According to the post, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will reach the 5000 mAh battery barrier. If this leak holds true, it represents a considerable jump compared to recent iPhone Pro Max models. For context, the current iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 4676 mAh battery, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 4422 mAh capacity. The leaker suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will house the largest battery ever in an iPhone. The 5000 mAh figure is likely an approximate value, rather than an exact specification. If accurate, this puts the iPhone 17 Pro Max on par with Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, launched earlier this year. However, the iPhone 17 Pro series is not expected to offer faster charging speeds, and Apple is unlikely to include a charger in the box. Earlier, Majin Buu also posted images of a steel-encased, L-shaped battery believed to be from the iPhone 17 Pro. The leaked photos highlight the structural differences between the US and Chinese models. The US version features a wider chassis due to the absence of a SIM tray. The Chinese version includes space for a SIM tray and retains an L-shaped battery similar to previous generations. According to Majin Buu, the iPhone 17 Pro battery module is precisely constructed with welded edges and a new adhesive that simplifies battery replacement. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup on September 9th, including the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.